Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, we definitely had a very impulsive move down right at the 261.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1. So definitely is a place where wave 3 could end. If it really is the end of a wave 3, then it's probably going to spend at least 6 to 8 months or more in a wave 4 before it actually goes up in a wave 5. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're definitely closing below the 78%. It looks like we are about to break structure, which is great news for us. Once it breaks this structure, I think that pretty much proves that the wave 3 is over, that we are probably in a big wave 4, which like I said will probably last at least 6 months or more, and most likely forming one big ABC of wave 4 correction, probably lasting around the same time as the wave 2 did. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we had a breaker structure on the daily about 2 weeks ago when we had the Bank of Japan intervention back here, we should have been looking for sorts. I think it's very clear this is a 1, 2, 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave A, which is a wave A of the big wave 4 correction that I was explaining on the higher time frames. So most likely it's going to end up looking something like that for a 3, 4, 5, then it'll probably make a big correction, then probably another push down. Probably, like I said, probably lasting at least a minimum of 6 months, 8 months or more. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts. I think there's a wave 1, a wave 2 up here someplace, and we're currently in a wave 3, and no evidence the wave 3 is over, so any pullback I see, I would definitely be looking to go short at the end of that pullback for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts. I'm only looking for sorts, and I'm looking to go short at the end of 3-wave pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 wave up, go short. 1, 2, 3 wave up, go short. Even this little pullback right here was 3 waves. So that's exactly what I'm looking for in the future. I am going to ignore all movement to the upside, but instead I'm going to take sorting opportunities. I'm trading with the trend, because the trend on the higher daily time frame, like the roadmap time frame, is definitely down. So I'm looking for sorts only, and I'm only going to go short at the end of pullbacks. So definitely keep an eye out for 3-wave pullbacks. You know, you could possibly throw a Fibonacci retracement on there, look for 3 waves up, look for Fibonacci bounces, look for impulsive moves down to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.